Another myth that I would like to talk about, that is replacing the coolant on your motorcycle or even cars. Okay, so this is a really big myth. People think that your coolant should be replaced every time you get your motorcycle or car serviced, just like you replace engine oil. All right, so probably every 5,000 or 8,000 or 10,000 kilometers. It's absolute crap. Okay, I've done enough research on it. Practically, I've tested it for a very long time. At least for 15 years, I've been researching on this now. Okay, most of the time, the companies will tell you that, sir, let's replace the coolant also on your motorcycle because we are servicing it. Let's do the same thing on your car also because we are servicing it. But you know what? Engine oil is replaced because its viscosity changes. Okay, viscosity is the thickness or how thin or how thick is. That is the viscosity of an engine oil. Of course, we'll talk about that topic later on. But a coolant, nothing changes in it in a hurry. All right. So if your motorcycle has done 10,000 kilometers, if you're replacing engine oil, tell the service center guys not to touch the coolant. Yes, straightforward tell them. They would replace the coolant and bill you another, few hundred rupees. That is because they have to make money on a servicing of a car or a motorcycle. Okay, in a car, a lot of coolant would go into it. Probably 4, 5 liters or 6 liters of coolant would go into it depending on your engine size. On a motorcycle, I think on like a super bike, probably 3 liters of coolant goes into it. Okay, so 1 liter of coolant could cost you anywhere from about 300 to 600 rupees depending on which brand of coolant that you would like to use. So tell the service center guys not to replace the coolant. You can do your research. A coolant on your motorcycle or a car actually doesn't have to be replaced even for 50,000 kilometers. Can you believe that? Yes. On my Honda Civic, just take up the hood, take up the bonnet. It would be written there very clearly that the engine coolant doesn't have to be replaced, if I remember, for 200,000 kilometers or for 5 years. Yes, I got shocked. I was like, what am I reading here? 5 years? 200,000 kilometers? Yes. On a Innova, it's clearly written, okay, by the company that for 100,000 plus kilometers, I don't know exact figure, but 100,000 kilometers, you don't have to replace the coolant. And on a motorcycle like the RC390 or the Duke 390 or the Ninjas or the Dominars, I would say just for your own satisfaction, you can replace it, but not at 10,000, not at 20,000, probably at 30,000 or 40,000, you can do it. All right. So this is what I say, but you can do what you want, You can replace it at 10,000 also. Also, remember, buddies, very often in service centers, what they do is that they say we should mix distilled water with your coolant and then pour the coolant into your motorcycle's cooling system, into the radiator. They do the same thing for cars also. Now, many people ask me, should we do that? Is it a good idea? Well, there's nothing wrong in doing that. But you know why it is done? Because you are trying to save money here. The service center guys are trying to save money. Okay. If a liter of coolant costs 300 rupees, they would use half a liter of coolant and then pour half a liter of distilled water. So this way they are cutting down the cost of the coolant by 50%. But I personally don't like it at all. You know why? Why should we cut the cost of something which is replaced probably once in 30 or 40,000 kilometers? Okay. And the moment you're adding water into your cooling system, you are risking something which is rusting, corrosion. The internals of your cooling system can kind of rust when you add water into your coolant. So I personally say don't add water into your motorcycle coolant. Saving small amount of money doesn't make any sense. So tell your service center guys not to mix distilled water into the coolant. Take your, if you prefer a specific brand of coolant, take it along with you to the service center and make them pour it into your radiator in front of you. Don't go away from there, all right? Because they might end up mixing distilled water again, all right? So this is the myth that I wanted to talk about. That is it, buddies. Thank you very much for watching. And if you are not subscribed, do subscribe. And I'm there on Instagram also. The link is in the description. Do give a thumbs up if you think what I spoke makes sense. Bye-bye.